Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can fix the high CPU and RAM or memory usage in OBS Studio in 2026. So let us get started. So launch OBS, and in the first step, guys, what you want to do is disable or turn off any unnecessary scenes here on the left hand side. So click into it to select it, remove the selected scene. Do it with the next one till you remain with only one scene you're currently using. So that's step number one. Step number two would be to turn off your screen recordings preview. To do that, select your scene and click into your preview here with your right mouse and disable the preview. You may enable it anytime again by selecting this button. Step number three, removing any unnecessary filter that might be slowing down OBS Studio and using a lot of CPU and RAM. What you want to do is select your recording source, which is in this case here my display, and select filters. After that, go through that list of applied filters, select the given one and simply click into the trash icon to remove any unnecessary filter. Close by clicking into this button. That's step number three. Step number four would be to navigate to your video settings. So to do that, click into File here, select Settings, and from there navigate to Video. And from here, simply select a lower recording resolution. For me, it is set to 1920 by 1080, as you can see, but you can always lower your resolution to one of these from the drop-down menu, like 1280 by 720, and do the same for output. And in the final step, guys, what you want to do is also lower the screen recordings FPS rate. I chose the highest one here in the video settings with 60, but you can go with a lower one, 30. Click into Apply to Safety Changes, and if that hasn't helped, guys, there's also one optional method. You may simply customize your encoder preset. To do that, navigate to your output settings here in your OBS settings, and from here select the encoder preset from the currently selected one, like this one, or that one, to fastest, faster, or fast. And it is going to record with lower quality, but also going to use less CPU and memory for your recordings. And that's it, guys. Let me select this one here, click into Apply. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.